Peltarion versus BigML, which AI platform offers more features for data scientists? Let's break down these two AI platforms and figure out which one delivers more power and flexibility for data scientists. Both platforms have their strengths, but depending on your needs, one could be a better fit. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal what I believe is a better alternative than both. First, let's look at Peltarion. It positions itself as an AI platform focused on deep learning and neural networks. It's user-friendly and designed to simplify the process of building AI models, even if you don't have a strong coding background. It offers pre-built modules, which is great for data scientists who want to quickly get their projects off the ground. However, the downside is that while it offers an easy-to-use interface, it can lack the flexibility required for more complex custom solutions. For deep learning, you get a lot of tools, but you may hit some limitations when working with more unique or unconventional datasets. Next thing, let's discuss BigML. It's known for its machine learning capabilities, and it makes building machine learning models incredibly easy. BigML has a wide range of algorithms and supports a variety of tasks like classification, regression, and anomaly detection. It has an intuitive interface for building models, which is a major plus for data scientists who need to rapidly prototype and test ideas. The platform also offers automatic model training, which can save time, but you might find that it doesn't have the same level of customization when you want to dive deeper into model tweaking. And while it's a solid platform for a variety of use cases, it doesn't have the same cutting-edge AI tools for deep learning that Peltarion offers. Now, the third thing to note is the ease of deployment. Peltarion focuses on making your AI models production-ready, offering features like integration with cloud platforms, which means it's easier to deploy at scale. On the flip side, BigML offers cloud-based and on-premise deployment, which is great if you need more control over your data security or if you need to deploy in specific environments. However, BigML's deployment process can feel a little more cumbersome when compared to Peltarion's seamless integration with cloud services. Next up, let's talk about data handling. Peltarion supports integration with external databases and tools like TensorFlow and Keras, so if you're already working in those ecosystems, Peltarion might be the easier option for integration. However, BigML shines when it comes to handling varied data types. It supports a range of data formats, including CSV, JSON, and even data from web APIs. But while BigML is versatile, its handling of very large datasets can become a challenge, especially if you're working with massive amounts of data at scale. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. Peltarion's pricing is based on compute usage, which can be a little hard to estimate, especially for large projects. BigML, on the other hand, offers more transparent pricing plans, though it can get expensive depending on how many models you deploy and the resources you use. For smaller projects, BigML might feel more predictable, but for larger projects, Peltarion's model might end up being more cost-efficient. So, both Peltarion and BigML offer strong features, but when it comes down to it, they're not perfect. If you're looking for more flexibility, scalability, and deep learning features, Peltarion is a solid choice. But if you're after something that can handle a wider range of machine learning tasks with greater ease and transparency, BigML has its advantages. However, after trying both platforms, I believe there's a better option out there that offers a mix of both deep learning flexibility and ease of use, with far fewer limitations. If you're a data scientist looking for a platform that combines the best of both worlds, I recommend you check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial. This is a limited time offer that provides access to a superior tool that I've personally tested and found more efficient for data science tasks. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your work with a platform that delivers real value.